Okay, well, I haven't had a video in a few days and work's been crazy. I had last weekend come up north to get some things from my old place. Well, as you can see, I got the intake off, and boy, I tried to clean all I could, all the crap in there. Boy, this thing is, look down in here. It's got some shadows from this light. But we'll try to show you. This is my ports, and this bright light out. I got a little black in there. And it's clear. But yeah, go figure. Some dirt fell down there. You can see them on the ring. So get the good old shot vac up to a extreme. So I'm not taking that side off over there to the right. I really don't want to. But it's all wet. So I don't know if that gasket's leaking in the head or what. That side's more wet, as you can see, than this side. Dry back there, soaked right there. So, and you can see this guy's a little different color because that's the one that's been leaking the most. That's where the exhaust manifold was leaking. But it looks filthy. And they said not to drop anything down them. So we're gonna get the good old shop vac out and try to clean this up. And probably call it a night. And work on some pulleys. Tomorrow. I think I need a big ass wrench, as they call it, for that guy. Got to re-up on it and get it off again. But I already got some PB blaster on all those. I'm going to take the left side off, and we're going to try to attempt to just repair. Get a new refurbished one for this side, and get it up and running again. I'm just struck on cash, and that's a little bit of money. So as for now, gotta love that air exchange. What a weird contraption. But yeah, that's it. We're getting there. Best thing to do is I still got to read up on how to get that fuel line apart there, so I can get that out of there instead of just jamming it over there. But jamming it over there is fine. Yanked all the fuel injectors off. They're all sitting in a bag right there. Of course, they get kind of dirty, so clean them up. Hopefully they'll be fine. Boy. Well, that's it for now, and that's what she looks like. Guess tomorrow or Friday, because today is Wednesday, I'll start attempting to pull that off. I gotta get this wire guy out of here, and I'm gonna work on that tonight. And that fun stuff. Okay, well, that's it.